All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your money into Acorns. You've probably heard of Acorns, right? That app that magically rounds up your purchases and invests it? Yeah, that one. But here's the burning question. Can you actually deposit a physical check into your Acorns account? Like, can you snap a picture of that birthday check from grandma and poof, it's in your investment portfolio? I know, it sounds convenient. You're sitting on the couch, Netflix is on, and suddenly you're staring at a check. Wouldn't it be great to just whip out your phone, deposit it, and forget about it? Well, I'm about to give you the lowdown on whether that's actually possible with Acorns. Now, Acorns is a pretty slick app. They've got investing down to a science, and they've even got a checking account option. But when it comes to mobile deposits, things get a bit trickier. You see, while Acorns offers a checking account, it's not your typical bank account. It's more like a hybrid of a checking account and an investment account. And that's where things can get a little confusing. So, can you mobile deposit with Acorns? The short answer is the kind of. But let's break it down. First off, you need to have an Acorns checking account. Not just the regular Acorns Invest account. The checking account is where you can actually hold your money and deposit checks. Once you've got that set up, you can indeed mobile deposit checks. It's pretty standard stuff. Endorse the check, open your Acorns app, snap a picture of both sides, and bam, you're done. Or at least, that's the theory. But here's the catch. There are a few conditions. Your Acorns debit card needs to be active for a certain amount of time, and you might need to verify your bank account. It's like Acorns is playing hard to get with your money. But hey, that's finance for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, great, I can mobile deposit with Acorns. But what about the money? Does it just sit in my checking account, or does it magically transform into investments? Well, that's up to you. Acorns gives you options. You can leave the money in your checking account, you can transfer it to your investment portfolio, or you can split it between the two. It's your money, your rules. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is mobile depositing with Acorns actually worth it? I mean, sure, it's convenient, but is it the most efficient way to manage your money? Maybe you're better off just depositing the check at an ATM or taking it to your bank. It really depends on your situation and how you like to handle your finances. And let's not forget about security. Mobile deposits are generally safe, but there's always a risk. Make sure you're taking the necessary precautions to protect your information. So, there you have it. You can mobile deposit with Acorns, but it's not as straightforward as it sounds. There are conditions, limitations, and decisions to make. Ultimately, whether or not it's the right choice for you depends on your personal financial situation and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.